While I was in Decatur, Georgia, I needed to make a pilgrimage to the birthplace of my career as a young adult author, Taco Mac. Yeah, Taco Mac Bar and Grill. Let me explain. In 2003, I was on book tour for one of my early picture books, Annie Was Warned, and I had to stop at Children's Book World in Haverford, Pennsylvania. And David Levithan was on tour for his first young adult novel, Boy Meets Boy. And we instantly hit it off and became fast friends. In 2006, he was editing an anthology and invited me to be a part of it, although I had not yet written for a young adult audience. That anthology didn't get published, it didn't go anywhere, but David told me I had a voice for young adults. And he kept encouraging me to write a young adult novel. And every time I'd see him, he would ask me if I had started writing my young adult novel. And every time I would say no. And so he got very fed up with me. And he said, look, every time I see you, I'm going to ask you if you have started writing your young adult novel. And if the answer is no, you are to pay me $5. And every time after that, it's going to double. So sure enough, I had to pay David $5. The next time I saw him, I had yet to start writing my young adult novel. I had to pay him $10. And then I paid him $20. And in 2009, at the Decatur Book Festival, I was walking to meet him at Taco Mac, and I had to stop at the ATM to pull out $40. And it was at that point that I thought, this is getting really expensive for me. I need to at least start. So that is why Taco Mac is the birthplace of my career as a young adult author. And serendipitously, David became the editor for Hey Kiddo and Sunshine, my young adult graphic memoirs. So sometimes our mentors are our peers who see something in us and work to get it out of us. So thank you, David, and thank you, Taco Mac.